Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you guys a new setting powder. I'm going to be reviewing it, I'm going to be showing you how it applies, how it looks, the feel of it. You're going to be able to feel this powder just through this video and you're going to absolutely love it. The powder that I'm going to be reviewing and doing a tutorial on is the new Hourglass Veil Setting Powder, which I've kind of made a mess of, so I'm trying to clean it quickly before I show you. But it is this setting powder. This setting powder is absolutely beautiful. The packaging is unreal. I'm going to show you guys the packaging and also the mess that I've made of this powder, and I've literally just got it. But this powder, you will see if you keep watching how it looks and exactly how it performs and if it's going to be good or not. The powder does retail for £36. It has been said to blur imperfections. Whether it will or not, you'll have to keep watching. It is diamond infused. Whether it is or not, you will have to keep on watching. So I'm going to stop talking and I'll tell you a little bit more about the powder as I use it. So, before you do anything, I want you to like this video, I want you to subscribe, and I want you to leave a comment, and I want you to keep watching the rest of this video. So, enjoy! Is it just me who always gets a runny nose as soon as I put my foundation on? Why? Okay guys, so I'm going to get straight into the video. As you can see, I have already done my base, I've done my foundation, concealer and contour, so I literally just need to put the powder on now. What I'm going to do is, with this powder, it does say just to like dab it on your face, slightly, just a little bit on your face, and then brush it away. But I want to see if we can bake with this powder and what kind of effect it will give if we do. So, on my left hand side I am going to be baking, and on my right hand side I'm just going to lightly dab it all over and see if there is a difference, if either side looks different or not, and to see how the powder performs and if it will work. So this is the powder here. When I seen this and I seen the packaging, I think the packaging made me want it more than the actual product. Oh my gosh. In the box, it came with a little Veil Mineral Primer. So it came with the primer in the box, and I didn't even realise that I've already done my foundation and my base and everything, so maybe next time I will use this, but if I had known that, maybe I should have opened it sooner. But this is the packaging. And when I open the powder, there's a little sticker to like stop from the powder going everywhere, so I'm just going to take that off. And this is what the inside of the powder looks like. So there's a H where the little holes are for the powder to come out, and you need to keep the lid on, and then when the lid is on you shake it upside down so that the powder comes out, and only a little bit will come out at a time. As you see, it's got like a little stopper here, so only a little bit of powder will come out, which is quite useful. It's not going to go everywhere. And because there is this bowl here as well, then you don't have to pour it into anything. You can literally just keep it in here, which is very handy. So, it's time. I'm just going to shake this. This is literally what you're supposed to do. And then open. Look how little has come out. So I guess a little bit that did come out is just went on my floor. This powder feels like incredibly soft, like unbelievably soft. It feels like baby skin. It feels so soft. So I'm also just going to read a little bit about the powder before I put it on, just so that you guys can get a little bit of insight to it. So, it's described as an ultra-refined powder formulated with light-reflecting particles to instantly blur imperfections. Key benefits: blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines and wrinkles for an airbrush finish. Infused with diamond powder for the most refined light refraction without any flashback. So we're going to be doing a flashback test as well, so that you guys can see exactly how it is and if it does work. Sets makeup for longer wear. It's formulated without talc. Translucent formula leaves an invisible finish, perfect for all skin tones. So it's not a powder that when you're going to take off it's going to like leave you looking lighter or a different colour. It's going to be good for any skin tones. Without dropping this on the floor again, I am going to go in with my brush and I'm going to, I don't know how much to put on. So the right hand side of my face, just going to put this everywhere. So far, this feels really, really nice. And even though I've hardly baked on that side, I feel like it's like giving my contour so much definition. This side has no powder so far. Oh my goodness. This side feels insane. It feels exactly how the powder feels. It feels like baby skin, like it literally feels so smooth. It feels so nice. Okay, so now for the left hand side, we're going to bake more than what we did this side, so we're going to bake this a bit more. So this side is baking slightly. I'm going to leave that to sit. I will say that on my right side, it's looking incredibly smooth. Like, incredibly smooth. I will come closer as well, guys, to show you exactly how it looks. Also, while I'm waiting for this to set, this powder retails for £36. It's not cheap, but so far I am loving how it looks, so I am happy with it. Okay, I have left that sitting for a while now. I have left it for about 5 or so minutes, so I'm just going to go ahead and brush it all off. Let's hope it doesn't leave any white stains or make me look too light. I don't know if I'm seeing a difference. Personally, I think that this side has brightened the tiniest bit compared to this side. This side I left on for literally a few seconds and just dabbed it in and brushed it all off. This side I left in for about 5 minutes and I feel like it has just brightened under my eyes slightly compared to this side. I'm going to come closer so that you guys can see exactly what my face looks like up close and personal on both sides. So this side is the side that I left on for a few seconds, dabbed in and just wiped off. So this is the side that I set for about 5 minutes and then brushed off. And I'm just going to show you my full face now. Personally, I think this side is slightly lighter than that side, and that's just with leaving it on longer. I don't think that... oh my goodness. It feels so soft. Like, I literally cannot tell you how soft this is. If I could literally get you to feel my face right now, then I would, because this is unbelievably soft. Overall, I'm loving this powder. I quickly, as well, just took a picture to show you if it has any flash pack, which it doesn't. I'm going to quickly finish my eyes, just add some mascara, do my lips, and then I'm going to come back to give my final thoughts on this powder. Okay guys, so full face is complete. With this powder, even when I was like just doing my mascara, putting highlight on, it all went on like so smoothly. Like, look at that highlight. I literally just did one little stroke and it was like, it just like glowed straight away. Like, I am in love with this powder. It feels amazing on the skin. It's not, it doesn't have a colour to it, so when I have taken it off, it's not left any colour or anything like that at all. It is just literally set my makeup so beautifully, and I'm in love with this powder. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I want you to comment your thoughts on this powder as well. How you thought it looked on me. If you've tried it yourself, then let me know. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, then leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you for another video.